Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Agentforce from within Slack to generate documents using Merge Connect. And so I've got an org here with Merge Connect installed along with our Agentforce extension package. And I've got a merge template configured for an account overview PowerPoint. This is going to merge in the account name among other fields. And I've got an agent built out that leverages some of those actions in our Agentforce extension package, as well as a custom action I built to upload files to Slack. And so I've also got this account record here that doesn't have any generated documents on it. So now if we jump into Slack, we'll go ahead and attempt to generate that document and have Agentforce immediately post it into our channel. All right, here we are in Slack. If I go ahead and ask the Slack sales assistant to generate the account overview for Edge Communications, we can go ahead and get Merge Connect to generate that document for us. Sweet, there we have it. So we've got our document generated. You can see it merged in the name. And if I flip back to the Edge Communications account and refresh, you can see we've got the generated PDF of that PowerPoint. If I wanted to change the output format, you can go ahead and do that from the template settings in the Merge Connect template builder. If you have any questions or want more information on how you can use Slack to generate documents using Merge Connect, please don't hesitate to reach out.